Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify rap not showing up. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update Spotify. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. Then you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Spotify. Hit enter, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your Spotify account. And here you can see that on the top right is showing. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.